So what happens when a lease is nearing its end and it's time for potential renewal? If you're a tenant, you're facing that time where you need to decide if you want to stay or move on. Here at One Family, we are always happy to have you, and we will have had inspections throughout the year. We will have evaluated your payment history and then ask you what your plans are moving forward. We'll also have a discussion with your owner to discuss the conditions of the lease terms moving forward should it be offered. I'm here to tell you that while we love keeping our family, it's also beneficial to you because moving is stressful. Having your credit ran again, having to deal with the new deposits being paid out can take its toll on your family. So we're here to discuss any concerns that you may have so that we can hopefully keep you as part of our One Family. Now on the owner side, what does that look like for you? Here at One Family Property Services, we handle everything from drafting legally compliant leases to negotiating the renewals with the tenants. We're evaluating everything I just discussed on the tenant side and coming to a plan that works for all parties.